president of the International Committee of the Red Cross on Friday, hailed China as a great support for the agency, voicing confidence that China will play a more important role in helping facilitate humanitarian efforts worldwide.
Through Chinese engagement worldwide, I think there was more conscious recognition that international humanitarian law and humanitarian action is a contribution to stability which will allow for better development over time. And I have been very comforted to see more proactive Chinese policy in international arena. But now China came more proactive in support of international humanitarian laws and principles, has taken this position in the Council, and I think it has been a great support to ICRC's vision that one such important member of the P5 has consistently supported the Geneva Conventions and humanitarian work. China has very much supported some of the critical resolutions in the Security Council on critical infrastructure, on rehabilitation of basic social services, and this is a politically strong signal.
Maurer said he looks forward to more cooperation with China, which has strong infrastructure capacities and disaster relief experience.